Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a brand new inventory piece that just arrived. This is a 2024 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This particular boat is in the gray hull color with the black accents. We've complemented with the black canvas as well as with on top of our bimini top there. We've got the teak accents for the side step as well as the swim platform. She's equipped with a Mercury 115. She is equipped with a trailer with a spare tire and a swivel tongue. We have the aft jump seats, as well as the live well and switch leaning post. She has a 9-inch Simrad with the JL audio stereo system with 4 speakers. That is Bluetooth. In the bow, we do have her configured with the full bow cushion, as well as the trolling motor panel option. So low bow rail on the front to accommodate that option. If you guys have any questions about this nice new boat of ours, please call us at 843-747-1889. Thanks for watching.